All right, guys, I don't know what happened, but the rest of my video stopped. So here's number 2. I think I finished number 2. So I'm going to go over 3, 4, and 5 again. And then I will see you later on this afternoon. All right, so number 3, what number does n need to be to make this statement true? All right, if you think of this as a balance beam, we need both sides to be equal. So the first thing we had to do was figure out what does this side equal, because we have all of our variables here. 8 plus 5 plus 2 is 15. So we know this side has to be 15 as well, because 15 would equal 15. So up here, n, you can think of n as also a box. We're kind of transforming from boxes onto letters, which is algebra. So we're doing 5 times what number is 15? So if I tried 8, that would not work. If I tried 3, that would work. So 5 times 3 is 15. That means that n equals 3. Okay? That might be new. I'm not sure if y'all got to that in 4th grade, but we'll go over that one when we see each other this afternoon. Number 4, the graph below shows the number of cookies sold each week. Which week sold twice as many cookies as the previous week? So the first thing I do when I have a graph is I read what my axes are. What does the graph even mean? So this one says number of cookies sold. So this side has how many cookies were sold, and this shows me my week. So the first thing I did was I wrote down how many cookies were sold each week. So in week 1, 30 cookies were sold. In week 2, if you run this line over, it comes right in between 10 and 20. So what's halfway in between 10 and 20? Would be 15. Week 3 was 30. Week 4 was 40. Week 5 was another in between. What comes halfway in between 40 and 50 would be 45. Twice as many means 2 times as more. So 30 times 2 is not going to equal 15. 15 times 2, I did the math over here, would equal 30. 2 times 5 is 10. My 0, carry my 1, regroup my 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus my 1 is 3. This is a fact you might want to memorize, that half of 30 is 15. It ends up coming a lot. It's kind of important. But you can always do the math out. So our answer would be between week 2 and 3, the previous week, which is the one before, sold twice as week 3 sold twice as many as the week before. All right, number 5 is division, and we have 846 divided by 7. I showed y'all the big 7 way because I know a lot of you like it. If you like the traditional way, use that way. We can pull 100 out of 846. So 100 times 7 is 700. When I subtract this, I get 146. I'm going to pull out 10 sevens, which would be 70. And I subtract it, I got 76. I can do another 10, which is 70. And then I have 6. I can't do any more. If I add this up, 100 plus 10 is 120, remainder 6. Okay? So that is week 4 for DMR. For when we come together, I assign 2 people each problem so that y'all can either work together when you share it with us, and hopefully both of y'all have done each problem, but we will, if not, at least hopefully one of y'all will. So Austin and Mason, I have y'all at number 7. And I have Ezra and Sierra for number 6. Number 8, I didn't put anybody's name in because that is similar to number 3, and I want to go over that before I sign that for y'all to work on by yourselves. Number 9, I gave to Chloe and Zeke. And number 10, the division problem, I gave to Alexis and Victor. All right, I'll see y'all this afternoon. Can't wait to see your work. Bye.